Who's ready for practice?
We are!
Do-da-do,
Devon Lanes!
You can't be serious. How do you think a video game is going to get these amateurs ready for the real thing?
You think they're ready for real bowling? You think they're ready for the smooth glide of feet over the polished floor? I mean, they don't even know what a double pinnacle is, let alone a fifth arrow. I mean, seriously, did Beethoven just wake up and write the fifth?
You're right, Mike. And what is a fifth arrow?
Oh, it's when, it's kind of when you... It's fine. I mean, we can just get started. Sammy, you know the rules. Bananas are for active team members only. Besides, we're about to get started. You should probably head out.
It's my Wii. You said if I let you use it, then you would let me play.
No. I'm sorry. This is big boy stuff. We're getting ready to practice here. You're not on the team, Sammy.
Mike, could you be a dear and help me with this wrist strap?
Wrist strap? How are you gonna get a full range of motion with all that extra stuff hanging off your moneymaker? I'm going au natural.
Hey, if anything happens to those trophies, you're 100% liable. All right? Their life insurance policy is worth more than mine.
Where did you even get those trophies? They're obviously not yours.
Back in college, I was Lucky Strike's secret weapon. I was the only one on the team that could nail a 7-10 split, and oh boy, did I nail it every single time. I was on top of my game. All the bowling babes would flock to lane number 8 every Wednesday to see me bowl. Strike after strike. I felt invincible. I thought it would never end, but after I broke both my fingers in the gripping hold for nationals, my team decided to go with my sister instead of me to lead the team. I could have given up, packed away all my things, but I knew I couldn't leave the sport that I loved. This is how I need you all to feel about bowling. I've got to see this passion in every single one of you. Do you know how many times those pins at the end of the lane get knocked down? Hundreds. Every single day. But do they ever stay down? No. They get right back up. And up, and up, and up. It's not over until they roll you out.
That was beautiful.
I could have done without the tears.
Got it? So now you see what kind of mental state of mind I need you in for this practice, all right? Are we ready? Let's get this ball rolling.
Wrist strap!
Oh, thank God she's awake. Diane, I need you on your feet. All right, the game's in less than a week, and your hook shot is still really lackluster.
Of course, Coach.
I think you gave her a concussion.
It's not my fault. She shouldn't have been standing where I was bowling.
I think she has to sit out a week.
What are we going to do now?